welcome sa ating super special episode dito sa Holy Angel University, Pampanga! Yes! Ang taas ng energy, Jules! Nakakamiss naman. Pero syempre mga ka-schoolmates, this is not a drill because the comeback is real. Ako, sa mga hindi nagtatanong, kami lang naman po ang OG host ng schoolmates na nagbabalik para makidebate at makisaya ngayong gabi. Ako po, si JV Cruz.
At ako naman po, si Jules Giang. And yes, that is right, we are back celebrating the 10th anniversary of Schoolmates. Alam mo, JV, sobrang nakakamiss itong energy. Parinig ka ng energy!
Yes.
Yung hype ng mga kabataan. Pero ito ang very important question, JV. Kaya ba nating makisabay sa energy ng mga Gen Zs?
Totoo. Parang masakit na ngayon kasuhan ko. Pero syempre, hindi tayo magpapahuli. Lalaban natin to hanggang dulo dahil ngayong gabi, hindi lang tayo makikinig. Sasaksihan din natin ang isang mainit na balitaktakan ng ating mga ka-schoolmates tungkol sa isang issue ng edukasyon.
Alam mo, that is very true, JV. Alam mo, for the past 10 years, laging trending ang mga hot issues dito sa Schoolmates. At ngayong gabi, we are diving into one of the hottest debates right now. Dapat na nga ba talagang tanggalin ang mandatory senior high school sa Pilipinas?
Yes, pero syempre, wait lang. Ito, Jules, na-miss ko talaga. For the past 10 years, ginagawa natin to. Isang sigawan na may kasamang palakpakan, Holy Angel University, Pampanga! Ayan! Pero syempre, before we start, kailangan nating pakinggan ang ating live audience kung ano ang kanilang opinions sa ating issue for tonight. Sinong gustong mag-share ng thought? Ayan. Hi, hello, dito tayo. Mahirap
Ayan,
kayong puntahan. Ayan.
Yung naka-denim ata.
Mabilis lang. Tatanungin ko lang kung anong opinion mo sa ating issue for tonight, no? Ayan. Hi, hello. Tayo po tayo. Hi, what's your name?
GK po. GK.
Okay, sa narinig mong issue natin ngayon, pabor ka ba na tanggalin ang senior high o gusto mong isolid ka na dapat i-retain ito?
Solid po.
Bakit? Bakit?
Kasi gusto ko yung Yums.
Okay. Ayan, perfect. Sige, magtatanong pa tayo ng isa dito. Ayan.
Sino
Hi,
naman?
hello. Good evening. Ayan, tayo. What's your name?
Lara po.
Lara, ikaw, anong insight mo sa ating hot issue ngayong gabi?
Yung insight ko po is hindi po kailangan tanggalin yung senior high. If gusto po talaga nila na maging mas ready po yung mga estudyante sa senior high, edi ibahin na lang po talaga nila yung process po, opo.
Ayan. Sino ba dito yung sige, magsigawan na lang kung sino yung pabor na tanggalin ang senior high.
Pro tanggalin. Sino gusto alisin? Ayun, meron doon sa taas. Sino
Ayan.
yung gusto i-retain? Meron pa rin senior high? Okay.
Ayan. There you go mga ka-schoolmates. Narinig din natin ang halo-halong opinions ng ating mga ka-schoolmates. Pero syempre, let's go straight to the real deal. Pakinggan na natin ang ating mga debaters na magbibigay ng kanilang mga argumento ngayong gabi. Tama ba, Jules?
Tama yan, JV. So mga schoolmates, malinaw na merong dalawang sides dito. May nagsasabing, dagdag gastos lang daw at oras ito. Pero syempre, meron ding mga naniniwala na kailangan ito para maging ready ang kabataan para sa trabaho o para sa kolehiyo. Pero the big question now, JV, is, dapat nga bang tanggalin ang mandatory senior high school? Kaya naman, wag na natin patagalin pa. Kilalanin na natin ang mga debaters ngayong gabi mula sa panig ng dapat tanggalin ang mandatory senior high school. Panoorin natin to.
My name is Keisha Caitlin C. Sese, 17 years old, from Accountancy, Business and Management Strand, grade 12. We were hesitant at first since we really were unsure about our given topic, but as we grew to research and learned more about it, we saw how we can defend it.
I am Alvin Jr. A. Pineda, 18 years old, grade 12 from the Yums department. We tried to look at it holistically. So we tried to look at each perspective in a way that we would understand where our opponents would be coming from.
My name is Dieter Balahadja from grade 11 Humanities and Social Sciences, section St. Lucia, 16 years old. sabi ko lang is good luck and sana don't take the mga sasabihin nila personally sa amin, hindi namin iti-take yung personal sa amin. Academic and yung closeness as a friends namin, parang mahiwalay siya. Kung ano man yung nasa debate, mag-i-stay lang sa debate. And yung mga closeness namin sa friendship namin, hindi yun magbabago.
I know we both had extensive research, so let's have a good debate and a productive one.
At mula naman sa panig na nagsasabing hindi dapat tanggalin ang mandatory senior high school, panoorin natin to.
I am Gian Mortel, 17 years old, grade 12, Humanities and Social Sciences strand. I felt that I had the responsibility to represent the voices of those senior high school students like me that face these issues on the daily. I am against making this senior high school mandatory program to be removed.
I am Althea Johara Quizon Barcena, 15 years old, grade 11, Humanities and Social Sciences strand. Well, aside from research, we also practiced. And I think that was one of the most important things that we could have done to further dig deeper onto our topic.
I am Orianle A. Tagama, 17 years old, grade 12 from the Humanities and Social Sciences strand. Our strategy really was to expect the unexpected. We didn't want to reliable on our sources. We had to really dig deeper as well dun sa kalaban namin. Of course, to really gain insight kung ano ba yung nasa isip nila, kung ano yung pwede nilang ibato sa amin, so that we would become more prepared and of course, build a stronger force.
3 things: research, research, and research. We really dig deep into this topic, made educational dialogues, and talked about it with each other within the past few days.
At sa ating pagbabalik, sisimulan na natin ang mainit na balitaktakan dito lang sa #1 youth debate ng bayan, Schoolmates!